Hey guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahama.com, and in this beautiful tutorial we are going to learn how to show the feature image inside the Facebook sharing. Most of the time when you share you won't get this feature image. Let's say if I'll go down, I can see for this one I can see a feature image, but after some update or something changing or even for new website user, they face this type of issue. So I thought if I'm facing this issue, that means so many people will face. Already have created tutorial, but that is old. So many things have been updated, so I thought to create a new video. So I'm replicating the same condition on different posts. So this will be my post, and I'm going to copy the link. This is my post link. Okay, so I'll go to debug tool and I'll paste the URL in this area and I'll say debug. When I say debug, you'll get an error. The following required properties are missing: FB ID. That means FB ID is missing. That's the reason you are getting this error, and that's the reason here your website failed to load this featured image. So now we'll learn how to create app ID and how to insert inside Yoast plugin. For creating Facebook app ID, you need to go to developers.facebook.com/app. Once you are there inside, you need to click on my apps. If you have already created any of the apps, it will be here, or you can find in front of your desktop. Okay, or if you want to create new one, you can click on the add new, or you can hover over this one and click on create new app. If you want to choose any of the already created apps, you need to just select the apps. Okay, or if you want to remove, just click here and say remove. Now we'll create a new app. So here you need to write the name of the app ID. So app ID for the name where you want to use. Let's say I want to use on my website GoMahama. Okay, I want to use here, and once I'll click here display name as GoMahama, make sure your email ID should be there, and then click on create app ID. Now they'll ask you to verify the credential that you are a human. So click here, and now I'll click on submit. Now you'll see your app ID is created now. Next thing, you need to go to setting, and there you click on basics. Once you are here, next work is to write down the app domain. So I'm going to give my domain, that is gomahama.com. So I'll remove the last one, and then you need to enter your privacy URL. If you have privacy URL in your website, let's say gomahama.com/privacy, or next you need to create terms of service for your website. If it's there, it's fine. If it's not there, just enter your website link and enter your website link in both the places. This is just steps I'm telling you to move to next step, although this is not the authentical process to move on. You should create a privacy policy page and terms of service page in your website, and you should give here. Next, scroll down, and next choose category, and there you need to select the category. My category is education, so I'll select educations. Next, I'll click on save changes. Once your change is saved, you need to click here to make your app ID live. Let's say if I don't make it live, I'll cancel it off and I'll copy this app ID, and let's say I won't test the app ID is working or not. So I'll go to one of my test website. There inside the Facebook app ID, let's say SEO, Yoast SEO is there, and inside social tab you'll find Facebook tab. Inside that you should enable this one, then you'll find Yoast app ID. If I'll give this app ID and click save, So it will say the Facebook app ID you entered does not exist, submit the value. That means this app ID doesn't exist yet. That's why we need to go to this version, this page, and we need to enable in development. And now say switch mode, and here you'll see the app ID is live. Once the app ID is live, go back to the same page, or which was the page. Okay, this was the page. I'll enter the same app ID which I copied. Say you can match it, and I'll say save changes, and you can see this time saved got changed. That means our app ID is working. Now our next work is to go to the post, and there if you scroll down inside the Yoast plugin, inside the social tab, you'll find Facebook, and you should upload the Facebook feature image. This is important. You should upload the Facebook feature image. If it's there, click on update, and next step is to go to again developer tool. So this is the developer tool. I'll click on debug again. And now that error went off, and you will see they are loading my website thumbnail. And if that doesn't work, click on scrap again, and they'll check it. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.